everybody. So something you may not know about me is that I ride a motorcycle. Here it is. And in fact, a lot of the people who you've seen on video with me in the past also ride motorcycles. And so we're all gonna go down today. And it's a little unusual for a gaming website, but you know us, we do a lot of different stuff. We're gonna go to the IMS Progressive Motorcycle Show in Costa Mesa at the OC Event Center, the OC Fairgrounds. And we're gonna check out the bike demos they have set up, the merchandise tables, all the cool stuff over there, and see a lot of really neat bikes. So it's gonna be fun. So come along with us, enjoy the ride, and hopefully the footage doesn't get too shaky and everyone's got Cloverfield syndrome. So we'll see what happens. Let's do it. We just pulled into the OC Fairgrounds parking lot. There's a ton of bikes out here, all getting ready for the IMS Motorcycle Show. And we're gonna go put our stuff away, take what we need in to the event, because we might do some demo rides here in a bit, and hopefully have a really good time. All right, so here I am. I'm just waiting for my group to catch up with me, and look at this line behind me. This is a really good turnout. I am so excited to get inside to this show. All right, guys, we excited?
Yes, we are.
Yeah. What are we gonna do today?
Check out some merch. Check out some bikes. I really didn't do a lot of research and figure out what they have.
That's all right. It's always good to be prepared. So do
Obviously.
no research. That's how I run this whole website, so it's okay.
This is my first time here, so I'm excited.
Nice. How you guys doing today?
I'm excited. Gonna sit on some bikes today.
Yeah. What are you gonna ride?
I don't know yet. I mean, everyone's here.
Ducati.
Is that what you're getting on?
No.
No.
All right, so behind me you'll see the Royal Enfield booth here at the IMS Motorcycle Show. And we are gonna get a chance to ride and demo some of these awesome bikes. I'm gonna ride the Meteor 350, the red one, wherever that one may be. I don't see it out here yet, but I'm sure it's gonna be cool and I'm sure it's gonna be fun. We can't take video of our test ride, but that's okay. I'll tell you all about it when we come back.
All right, guys. How was your ride?
It's fun. They're rad little bikes.
Yeah, the Meteor 350 is a rad little bike. It's got a lot of pep, it's real lightweight, and it's just a lot of fun to ride.
That guy over there?
It was a good time.
Where's the love for Royal Enfield, huh? Where's the love?
We're here.
All right, so we just got done with our demo ride on the Royal Enfield. We both had Meteor 350s. What did you think about it?
Really fun bike. Nice route too. It's a great day to be riding. Had never ridden it before. I struggled. I didn't know there was a heel shifter, so I kept shifting myself into second and then kicking myself right back down into neutral. So that was kind of a bummer for the first part of the ride. But once I figured it out, it was really smooth and lots of power. I'm not too much. Allison's a new rider, so we're kind of testing out bikes for her, and I think it's a great one.
Yeah, one of the interesting things about that hill shifter on the Meteor 350 is there's like a slight lip on the outside of it, and if you're not used to it, you can kind of catch the back of your boot on it, and you can just reshift where you necessarily didn't want to shift.
Yeah.
So
But I
it
thought
takes
it
a
was
little getting used to.
Fun. Nice light bike and great feeling. Nice brakes. They're really forgiving. Good bike.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. That was a good ride.
Oh, maybe over the side. Let's go see.
So I'm over here at the Kawasaki booth at the IMS show in Costa Mesa. They have a lot of cool bikes, but the one bike that I wish they had that they don't is the Vulcan Vaquero. That's my bike. That's the bike I ride, and I don't see it back there. So, like, what gives, Kawasaki? Where's the Vaquero love, you know?
Sounds beautiful, too, you know?
We're just walking around right now. We did our demo ride. We don't have a huge amount of time here today. We got a little bit more, so we're going to use the time we have to walk around and see some of the merch. How's our experience been so far?
Great. Just grabbed a mango beer. It's a really nice day out here. Can't wait to do some shopping, see what they have.
Two things I love, gasoline and coffee.
You don't like it?
Oh, what a...
So you can do everything here at the IMS show. You have a long ride, it took a long time to get here. Maybe you're a little unkempt, you know, your hair's a little messy. You can come back here, get your hair cut too. Pretty much thought of everything.
We're checking out some gloves by Atwild. They're really cute. I feel like it's a...
That looks phenomenal.
I feel like I ride a Harley and I don't.
All right, so we just finished up here at the IMS Motorcycle Show in Costa Mesa. We've seen some really cool bikes out here. We've gotten to demo a couple of them, and saw a lot of good merch. What were your highlights of the day?
The demo was fun. Really nice long ride. I've never done a demo somewhere before, so that was cool. Got to do some shopping, and we got some great, what are they called? Discounts here for the...
Yeah, show specials. We had some
specials.
Atwild stuff, 25% off. It was really cool.
Got to see some cool bikes, sit on a lot of stuff, and talk to some rad people. We saw some old vintage Japanese bikes and some clubs that work on them. It's been a fun day.
Yeah, this is our first IMS Motorcycle Show, and I'd definitely come back next year. I think this has been a really fun day.
Yeah, same.